YouTube. Welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to show you guys on how to change the watch band for this CASIO. This is a diver looks like series, and I'm going to shine the marker for you guys to see how is the luminance on that. So this is a 3-day date and 24 hours dials. The watch band is stainless steel, and this one has a water resistant up to 50 meters, and then has a 3 years battery, and it has a 3 analog hands. Okay, so let's take out this pillow, and you're gonna open this 3 clamps. So the tool required, you'll be needing this pointed tool. What you're gonna do is there like a 1, 2, 3, 4 of the holes around the watch band that you're gonna dig into it and then push out the pin. So you have to measure it, do some measurement and see how many links that you need to remove out the watch band. Okay. So unfortunately, this dial, the bezel does not turn or rotate. Let's see. So I'm gonna zoom in real quick for you guys. So you need like some kind of hard cardboard that you can push against. But in the meantime, you don't want to scratch the watch band as well. I got the plastic protective is still on there, so I don't need to worry about it. So let's, for example, you want to remove this pin right here. You would dig into it and then push it out. All right, there you go. You see that pin is protruding out there, and all you do is just yank it. There's a gap right there. You could pry it out. Hopefully I'm not gonna break my fingernail. So as you can see, I can use my pointed tool and then just pull it out. All right. So you want to go once you put it in, you want to go into the same way. Okay, when you pull it out. So this is kind of tricky. Okay, most of the CASIO has a hook together. So you would need to remove it like that. All right. You see this thin, very thin bar right here. You need to go into that section right there, the gap right there, this way. And I want to show you guys again. There's a gap right here too on both sides. 1, 2. After you insert that thin bar in there, and when you want to put it back on the watch band, you gotta put in those gap going to that two of the groove right there. So let's go ahead and then push in. Alright, once you push in like this, you gotta make sure that those two cut out right there. It's gonna fit into those two point right there. Okay. So after you did that, then you could put the pin back in again, the same way that you pull it out. And I'm gonna push in. All right, that's it. She's flush. Oh man. Well, anyway, I'm gonna show you guys on how to change the battery on this thing too, just in case. Before we go ahead and do that, I need to get my tool, and then I'm gonna shine the flashlight to those markers and show you guys what's it look like. So you're gonna shine the light over there real quick and then let it charge. So this will be what it look like at nighttime. Okay. All those markers are growing. And then the hours and then the minutes. So I'll be right back because I need to go get the tool to remove the back cover. So I'm back. I got my tool right here. This one right here. You could get this pretty cheap on eBay, okay? Right here, this one is a fixed point right here, and then this one is with the screw. And then you could adjust the length, okay, or the distance. So you gotta measure it. There's a gap right there, okay? And then opposite side, there's another gap right here. So I'm gonna put the top first, and then the bottom one. I will need to measure it. And maybe I need to take out the watch band again, because it's kind of in the way. So let me take it out again. All right, so this one's out. I'm gonna take it out and make it all flat, so it's easier for me to open the back. So remember, there's a bar right there. You need to try to get it out. All right, so now the watch is flat, so easier for me to work with. I'm gonna zoom it in. So one over there, and then another one right here. Then you tied it, and then you start turning counterclockwise. Wow. Oh man, I moved it. kind of slip because I'm sweaty right now. Well, you get an idea. That's how you open it with the tool. So I'm not gonna force it right now because I don't have to change it. So that's how you change it with this tool. All right. Hopefully, you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and then turn on the bell for notification or drop any in the comments down below. All right. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video, guys. Like always. Peace.